Today, we're going to talk about one of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett. He's a true legend in the world of investing and has a wealth of knowledge to share with us. We're going to explore his top stock picks for 2023 and show you how you can adopt some of his investment strategies to make the most of your money. Buffett is famously against the practice of diversification. He once said, "Diversification is protection against ignorance." While this may be true to some extent, Buffett has a unique perspective on investing. With more resources and experience than the average investor, he is better equipped to manage the consequences of his decisions. But it's important to remember that the average investor should not try to imitate his approach. Berkshire Hathaway, the company Buffett leads, owns more than 70 companies outright, including well-known brands such as Duracell, Geico Insurance, and See's Candies. This shows that while the stock portfolio may appear concentrated, the company's broader business holdings are more diversified. Mispriced stocks. Mispriced stocks are a great investment opportunity in 2023, and Buffett is always on the lookout for these hidden gems. He is known for his long-term investing strategy and tends to buy companies he can hold onto forever. Stocks Buffett recently bought and sold. In the third quarter of 2022, Berkshire Hathaway closed one position and reduced its stake in 4 others. On the other hand, Buffett picked up a large position in Taiwan Semiconductor and smaller stakes in Louisiana Pacific and Jefferies Financial. All 3 stocks are down for the year, but Buffett, as a value investor, sees long-term value in these companies. Buffett's top stock picks. Buffett's portfolio is full of long-term potential stocks, but some might be a better fit for your investment goals than others. Analysts have picked out 12 of Buffett's top stock picks for 2023, including 4 solid dividend stocks: Apple, Bank of America, Taiwan Semiconductor, and Visa. Buffett's investing strategies. To make the most of these stocks, it's important to adopt some of Buffett's investment strategies. The big ones are to keep your focus on the long term, invest in what you know, act on bargains, and trade against the grain. By following these strategies, you'll be on your way to creating wealth through compound growth over the decades, just like Buffett. That's it for today's video on Warren Buffett's top stock picks for 2023. We hope you learned something new and feel inspired to start investing like a pro. As always, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content.